Hello everyone, welcome to the Xoro sales order waiving or allocating guide. In this quick little guide, we're going to walk through how to waive or allocate your order. So whether you have a 3PL connected to your system through an API connection or a CSV integration, or even if you're doing self-fulfillment, basically the way to waive or allocate your orders is basically going from the options from the top right here of an order and going create waive. So what that's going to do is that's going to waive the order in full, or in other words, it's going to allocate all the items on this order. So in order to use this option, you're going to want to make sure that all lines at the bottom of the sales order here have this green tick mark. That basically means that you can fulfill this entire order. So what you want to do is just go options and then create waive auto, and then you have the option of locking a waive. So locking a waive basically prevents you from picking the waive, voiding the waive, or shipping out the order. So basically, you're only going to want to lock the waive if you want to reserve the inventory for this order, but you don't want to ship it out right away. Maybe shipment is in a month down the road, or 2-3 months, or something like that. So in that case, you're going to want to lock the waive. But if it's a regular order that's going to get shipped out quite soon, basically you're going to leave it unlocked, or in other words, you won't tick this off. So let's go ahead, let's click OK, and you can see my waive has been created now for this order. So now the inventory is actually reserved for this order, and either your warehousing team or 3PL, they'll start processing the waive in preparation for shipment. And once the shipment has been created for this order, your invoice will be generated in the system.